Every installation tells a story of reliability, precision, and assurance, where the system arrives in your hands. It starts in labs and engineering centers, where each unit embarks on a journey to premium quality. A story of safety, where every unit is tested for fire and electric shock resistance. Performance, where prolonged cycle tests simulate extreme conditions and guarantee minimal sound and vibration levels. Efficiency, with energy certifications verified in accredited laboratories. A story of quality, where every component is inspected with strict procedures. Durability, verified by validation tests at every assembly step. Guarantee, ensuring airHome is the perfect unit for your customer. With 90 years of Japanese engineering behind every system, reliability is what allows you to install with confidence. And when the system is in place, another story begins. A story of comfort and performance that lasts. Air is confidence. Air is partnership. Air is life.